I hope you don't mind the lack of decorations, but I hope you guys enjoyed the Pikachu plushie. Hey guys, it's Jay Cyan. You may know me from twitch.tv/JayCyan, and today we're going to be talking about Twitch's new category that they just added called Pools, Hot Tubs, and Beaches. They recently added this category because of the excessive amount of streamers that are doing hot tub streams. I'm not sure how many are there that are doing the streams, but I know that Amaranth was one of them, or Amaranth. I'm not sure how do you pronounce her name. Correct me if I'm wrong. But recently I found out that Twitch removed her ad revenue because she did hot tub streams during just chatting. I'm not sure if that's the reason. Correct me if I'm wrong again. I'm really new to these type of things. But what I do know is that Twitch is adding a new category. This is a perfect category in my opinion for people that want to model or that want to look good. I know some of you may have mixed questions or mixed answers, but in my opinion, I think this is a good choice that Twitch made. This is another choice that I can be happy and that I can agree with them on, because now Twitch streamers who do hot tub, beach streams, or whatever can now have a category of that to do, and people have the choice to leave or join that, and they don't have any rights to complain about it. Unless if they don't like the streamer, then there's some other things they can complain about, rather it being a hot tub stream or whatever. But in my opinion, I think this is a good step forward, because now I've been getting mixed answers on why people were complaining about Twitch streamers that are females, that like, oh, they can't be on a bikini or whatever, they can't be in a bathtub. But then now we're allowing Twitch streamers who are males that could be topless, and that can still be sexualized, because a topless guy can be sexualized. These are just my thoughts, because this is something that I want people to think about, because I'm kind of sensing a little bit of either unfairness or sexism. I'm not trying to call out anybody, but this is the view that I'm kind of getting at here. But Twitch did also mention that anything that's sexual, that's appealing, or anything sexual that's seen by the viewer, they don't count it as anything that's against their terms of service. And I kind of don't blame that for them, honestly. Like, I really can't, because like literally that's like saying you can find anything sexual. Like, hell, you can find an eggplant sexual, and that is still not against Twitch's terms of service. At least I hope not, because who would ban or strike a streamer for having an eggplant on stream? Some people sexualize that for memes, or maybe it is sexualized, but Twitch doesn't see it that way. Again, this goes back to the topic with men, that a man can be topless and a woman can be in a bikini and stuff, yet they complain about women being in bikinis, but they don't complain about a guy being topless. It's the same thing when you're walking on the beach or something, when people are just trying to enjoy themselves. There are men topless, there are women that are in bikinis. So again, I really do see why Twitch didn't strike women with bikinis on, especially when they have like a scenery or a view that fits the setting, like a beach or a pool or a hot tub. But now that they added this category, I think that's a lot better than just adding the category to a just chatting category. And I know this is something that they didn't mean to go towards, but they did mention this in one of their rules and their terms of service, that as long as it fits the setting, then you're perfectly fine to do so. I just don't get why they removed ad revenue from Amaranth or Amaranth, probably because of the amount of people that complained about her and how she could get away with it and get tons and tons and tons of revenue off of it. But if you guys want to read about the update, please be sure to check it out. This is a great update for those who want to be modelers, for those who model and do hot tub streams or do beach streams or any of that stuff. Go ahead, check out the link in the description. And if you guys want to check out my tutorial videos on how to grow on Twitch, I have them right here. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.